Here's what we are tracking. We have some pretty good thunderstorms. I mean, look at all the lightning here, weakening just a bit. But again, you can see from Findlay northbound, you still folks in Fort Hancock, looking off to the east and northeast, noticing all the lightning strikes, noticing the dark clouds all gradually making its way to the north. The question is, you folks in Cornelius, Del City, can it hold together as it makes its way to the north to impact you folks? I think it will, although, again, we may see some weakening. We could see some outflow boundaries develop. Some of these storms could intensify over about the next couple of hours, so we'll watch that. These to the east of you folks in Mesquite and Vado. Notice 4 points as well. We had quite a bit of lightning here. These storms weakening as well as they make their way towards you folks in White Sands. And Hatch, you're dry right now. We're tracking some of these isolated storms making their way to the north, but again, showing some signs of weakening. And then you get along Highway 54 out here in Otero County, Alamogordo, Tularosa. Everything is southbound of you folks as the showers drift to the north. More activity, though, developing south of El Paso County. Here we are in El Paso County. Some of these storms ongoing yet, so we'll have to watch this as we make our way through the rest of this evening, maybe first impacting you folks in the Fort Hancock area. So that's the storms that we are watching out there right now. Look at our latest Future Track computer model. As we roll the model here, the model indicates that some of these storms could still hang on, redevelop as they make their way from the south to the north. You can see the timestamp here as we make our way into later on tonight. This particular model run, not very bullish until the late night hours, and keeping showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. A lot of it continues to move to the north and then eventually begins to kind of weaken. Look at the temperatures we're dealing with out there right now. 89 in Las Cruces, 91 here in town. We have 94 out there in Luna County and you folks in the Deming area. So chance of storms now as we make our way through the rest of the weekend. 20%. I think right now we did have a slight chance into next week, but as it looks right now, we'll keep it at 0. Notice your planner tomorrow morning, 72 at 7 o'clock, lunchtime at 86. By 5 o'clock, we'll be at 91 degrees. Here's the high temperatures for tomorrow. A lot of us mid-upper 90s, so it's going to be another fairly hot day on your Sunday. Will be fairly humid. Chaparral at 94 and La Mesa at 92. Here's our forecast overnight tonight, 72 degrees. Tomorrow, we're looking at 93, 20% chance of storms. Las Cruces, 20% chance of storms tonight, down to 70. Your high temp at 91. Watch over the next several days. 94 Monday, 95 on Tuesday. We'll be hot next week, and we will be looking at a fair amount of sunshine. We'll look at sports. It's all coming up next.